Hello and welcome to our another video of improvement. And first of all, I want to say thank you everyone who are the part of this community. And I was not creating videos because I was quite busy in my exams, studies, and so on. Apart from that, as I have been working with several applications, so somehow it becomes very complicated to create videos for the YouTube. But many people they posted some comments and all, and every day I was reading the comments of each and every one that why are you not creating videos on YouTube, why are you not active. So somehow I thought that okay, let's give it a try because I didn't create video, it's such a long time. So in today's video I'll be explaining some sort of things for the beginners. So today's video is going to be extremely fruitful for the beginners. At the same time, if you are an intermediate level learner, so definitely it is going to be very beneficial for you. Our today's concept is going to be completely different. I'll be explaining things about beginners. As I conduct sessions on different applications, so one question that most of the people they ask frequently, how can I improve my English? Seriously, I have seen many people they ask this question, how can I improve my English? And when people ask this question, so somehow it becomes very complicated for me to answer. So I would say only one thing: whenever you are facing any kind of problem, you're a beginner or you are an intermediate level learner, so you should not ask this question, because when you're asking this question, how can I improve my English? So your English is not just limited to one thing. It has reading, writing, listening, and speaking. The moment you're asking this question, how can I improve my English? The other person they might get confused. So when you're asking this question, there will be a clarity whether you want to improve your reading, writing, listening, or speaking. Apart from that, when it comes to speaking, so speaking is not only just about speaking, it's about its other key features. So when you're talking about speaking, you have to mention its key features, whether you want to improve your fluency, grammar, pronunciation, your prosody, articulation, idea generation, or something else. So in the question, there will be a clarity in the beginning itself. So this is what something that I wanted to convey in today's video. So if you're a beginner, so first and foremost thing is that you need to identify what's your weakness and what's your strength. If you don't know what's your weakness and what's your strength, it means you're just doing random things. And by doing random things, you're thinking that you'll be able to get a targeted result, which is going to be considered as an illusion. So you just need to come out of this illusion. So here I'm gonna tell you some sort of things that you can try. So the first thing is that if you're a language learner, so you should know your current English level. If you don't know your current English level, it means you're doing just random things. So the first thing is that try to know your skill you want to improve. Some people they face the problems in fluency, some people they face the problems in vocabulary, and some people they face the problems in pronunciation. So now it's your time. You need to go through an evaluation. In the evaluation, you'll be able to understand which skill you need to develop. So do not ask this random question, how can I improve my English? You need to ask clear question. What do you want to improve? Your pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, or something else. Even in pronunciation, there are so many things. Whether you want to improve your stress pattern, your enunciation, a particular sound, or something. So this is the first thing that I wanted to tell for the beginners. In the next session, I'll be including a lot of things, and at the end of this video, I want to say one thing. I'm running my series on Hello Talk about vocabulary memorization. So if you're interested in learning something new which will be completely free of cost, so do download So what you can do, you can download the HelloTalk application from the Play Store, and you can attend my sessions there, which are completely free of cost. So till then, keep learning and keep improving your English. See you in the upcoming session with something new and something interesting. Take care.